I think OSF can be viewed as a window to the world. Customer Excellence Day for OSF is an opportunity for us to meet with our customers and also an opportunity to understand their challenges and opportunities as well as where the business is going. Also, it is an opportunity for us to bring our global expertise into the market, in this case to Tokyo, Japan. So oftentimes we don't allow ourselves to dream. When we are thinking about our business processes, we sometimes are set in our ways of doing things, and I think it's important for us to step back and allow ourselves to dream a little bit, to see what other things that we can do, especially with the new technologies that come to the market, and new ways of reinventing our businesses, new ways of doing our businesses. So this daring to dream is something that we bring to the table, and we really challenge our customers to get out of their box and to dream a little bit more.
Bye.
OSF さんの日本への投資の熱気っていうのをすごく肌で感じることができました。ありがとうございます。
動画でご紹介いただいたエポックさんの事例とかがまさに心に刺さったかなと思ってます。
トレンドですとか事例というのが聞けて本当に勉強になりましたし、早く日本のお客様案件でご一緒したいなと思いました。
より具体的な部分もジェリーのプレゼンテーションにもあったので、分かりやすかったかなと思います。
日本のお客様は絶対ですね、グローバルに負けないデジタルトランスフォーメーションが必ずできると思います。
I believe OSF can be viewed as a window to the world since we are very global in presence and we learn a lot from our customers everywhere. I think many customers in Tokyo, Japan, but everywhere really can benefit from our know-how, can benefit from ideas that we've seen in some parts of the world, and we can bring them here locally, but also the other way around. We help customers here in Japan go worldwide and really expand in the global market. So yes, I think OSF can be viewed as a window to the world.